Hi, Cameron here from Capital Machinery with the ICARO TP5054 combined rebar cutter and bender. A great machine for processing large bar up to 40mm and a bending capacity of 48mm. Ideal for workshop or on-site bending requirements. This machine is fitted with an optional digital controller, making it easy and fast to set up and operate. These machines come supplied with a full range of pins and bushes. A roving foot pedal for ergonomic operation. These machines are extremely reliable and are fitted with European electronics and mechanical components. We fully support these machines and have all the spare parts and accessories in stock. The drive system is a heavy-duty grease-filled gearbox fitted with laminated gearing, which will last a lifetime in operation. The machine is fitted with CE certified safety guarding and safety switches. For your commercial rebar processing requirements, you should consider an ICARO rebar bender. You can buy online or you can contact us for more information.